Hey there, so today I'm showing you what is in my EDC slash if something were to happen while I'm not in reach of my bug out bag, or you know, quick evacuation or something. This is what's in my bag. Starting off, this is my backpack. I really like it because it has plenty of space inside. It has another pocket in here and the big one there, right here. It's pretty organized. I like it because, you know, no one's gonna suspect that what is in here. Okay, so starting off inside, I have a couple of zip ties. There are different sizes in there. There's some medium, there's some really small ones. They work really well. In here I have a multi-tool, which is a hammer and an axe. Oh, it's this one. It's 14 tools in here, and it has, you know, your typical big multi-tool, but what I like about is that there's a hammer and the axe, and there's pliers here in the middle and wire cutters. So that's pretty cool, pretty handy, and it's pretty sturdy as well. Like I said, electrical tape. There is adhesive glue. This stuff is extremely strong. A sewing kit, electric lighter, 2 boxes of matches. These are waterproof matches. And then I have a simple first aid kit, which just has bandages and alcohol wipes. These are kind of easy to reach out of my bag, so it's pretty handy just in case. Another first aid kit, candles, a mini flashlight, these hand towels which you wet and then they expand to they're kind of like a baby wipe, about the size of a baby wipe. And then I have a fork, spoon, bottle opener, and there is a knife in here as well, and it's actually pretty sharp as well. Then let me show you what's in the first aid kit. So there are these alcohol prep pads and a bunch of different sized band-aids. Then I have a washcloth, feminine products. I have shampoo, conditioner, body wash. I have a razor, toothbrush, toothpaste, a couple of Halls, allergy pills, chapstick, lotion. This stuff is my holy grail. There are so many mosquitoes right now, and it works amazing, and it's unscented. This card contains a couple of tips on how to purify water, or how to purify how to clean vegetables and fruits and things that you might find out here in the wild. I have a notepad and a spotlight. Where I live there are no street lamps, so basically at night it is pitch dark. If you're not in the city, then you're left out in the dark, so a spotlight is nice to have. I do have a flashlight, a normal flashlight, but this proves to be more handy. This is a sort of this is waterproof, so in here there is a survival kit, which I will show what's in there. It has an umbrella and it has another multi-tool. Basically, if I don't need my whole backpack, I just take this out and I just put it in either in my hiking bag or wherever I'm going, or I just put it in the car. So in this kit here I have a bandana, a pack of playing cards, 2 boxes of regular matches, a couple of zip ties, medium length and small, and a pack of waterproof matches. Then I have a couple of Halls And I have 2 candles, a couple of band-aids here, and all lined up. More allergy pills, chapstick, a lighter, and more band-aids at the bottom. So this is just that quick survival kit that, you know, I just pull out of the bag and just take it if I'm going hiking, if I'm going exploring, or I don't need to take the whole bag. But usually all of this I'm always carrying because it has happened before where there was a wildfire here and people went to work in the morning, and when they came back they just couldn't get back into their homes because they were being evacuated and they couldn't get to their things. So yeah, all of this is what I carry. Also, another thing that I suggest, don't take anything or don't buy anything that you don't know how to use. For instance, I don't know how to use a magnesium bar and a flint, so it won't be useful to me. So I might as well take matches because I tried using one and it didn't work, so I took it out of my bag. This lighter is one of my favorite lighters. It works pretty well. Let's see if I can do it. There we go. It has a pretty big flame. Make sure you pack depending on the weather you live in. Something I also have is an expiration date card, so it tells me when I put it and when I have to replace it. I want to talk a little bit more about this. Now, I know we're very dependent on our phones and things like that, and we think that we'll always have Google Maps or GPS, but we won't. Unfortunately, I've already gotten lost because I thought, oh, you know, I can keep it offline or something. And I downloaded the map and I went on a hike and I got lost. And I couldn't even see a simple satellite image on my phone. So I do suggest you draw a little map of your area, or you do buy a map of your county or city or wherever you live, or wherever you're headed. Also, emergency radio frequencies. Just go on Google and type in your city and just type in radio emergency radio frequencies near me, and it'll give you a whole list of them. But these are so there's the fire one, there's emergency roads, and there is the EMS and all of that. So yeah, and this is the weather station. This one is always on. These are the frequencies. This is a citizens band. This is basically where you find out what is going on in the world, what is going on around you. Another one is a tip card. So this one, I've done research, hopefully it's right and I don't poison myself, but this is a tip card on how to purify water. So how to purify water with Clorox is 2 drops for every quart, or for instance peroxide uses, you can also purify water with that, or it can also be of health benefits. It also, for instance, with sore throat, or how to clean fruit and veg with this. So yeah, I do have a plan of what you're gonna do. So in case, for instance, this is a pack, like I said, if I just can't come home for some reason, if you know my road has been blocked, or things that I failed to show you here are food items and a water bottle, but that's pretty basic, so that's something you should know. These are just, you know, the little extras inside. So yeah, this is what is in my pack. So now I have to put everything back in here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and go ahead and leave me suggestions of what I should put in here or what I should take out. Just please go ahead and comment down below. Thank you.